Baby, that's right. It's your girlfriend Trey, and I want to thank everybody who's tuned in to my channel. If you didn't get a chance to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe because you'll enjoy every content that I put out. Boom, baby, that's right. It's your girlfriend Trey, and I want to thank everybody. What is it? What is it? Oh. Boom, baby, that's right. It's your girlfriend Trey, and I want to thank everybody who's tuned into my video. So today, I'm going to be eating seafood, baby. So this is from Boiling Crawfish, and I heard that this was one of the best seafood spots in Jacksonville, Florida. That's just what I heard, okay? I don't know about all around the United States, but if y'all got a raw seafood place in your city right now, in your state, and they are booming, go ahead and drop it down below so everybody can visit it, because I'm pretty sure everybody loves seafood just as much as I do. So let's get started. So the things that I like to do when I'm getting ready to eat my seafood, I like to take my scrunchie because I have very long hair, and I want to go ahead and tie my hair up. Oh, if you're wondering how I got my hair so curly, the video is down at the bottom. Check it out. So I got my pair of gloves. I think I'm gonna put those on last. I got whatever this is so I won't mess over myself. Fuck it, we just put it on. Here we go, like this. Oh, this ain't the right way. Oh, whoa. I don't think I ever use these, but because I'm trying to stay clean, I think I'm gonna use this today. All right, cool. Cool. So, ready for my seafood. Now, if I make a mess, don't judge me, okay? Because I got these long nails on, and I can't crack nothing. I wanted to get a nutcracker, but I didn't want y'all to think I was a wimp with the crabs. So, oh, you know what? Just ain't for me. Let's take it out. Okay, so I got my crabs. I got my potatoes. I got my good old shrimp. Sausage, sausage, sausage. I got my corn. Got my good old black mussels. All right. So I've been waiting all day, and I wanted to wait for y'all, but I've been hungry all day, and it's just the see. I told y'all, me and these nails. It don't even matter. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. I've been trying to get next to you, baby, all day long. I'm really like disappointed because my nails are really long. They really long. Oh, shell. I don't know. They good though. That's why I'm determined to get this meat out of this crab leg. Not even a broken glove gonna stop me. Nah. If I wasn't trying to keep my cleanness bill down, I ain't gonna lie. This shit's so good. I I just can't do it. Yo, I just... Y'all don't understand. Woo! It's hot. But it is so good. Alright, so no shrimp. I got that. Right down my back. My dog's out here trying to get some. Ain't having it, getting it. It's on me. Tell him. But no. I love this stuff. This stuff is like, not crap. In the 80s. It's just so freaking good. And you don't mind spending the money for it? $40 a plate? Seafood. Okay. Your corn look a little soggy. All right. I could deal. Yo, right. It's not even working, but all I know is this is good. And dropping mussels, you want one? Here you go. Or do you want a sausage? I would share my crab leg, but you see how the plate set up? I can't share right now. Okay, so I don't know. I don't know. We just gonna leave that hanging. Now, I ain't gonna lie. Just stuff got me a little. Excuse me. You just can't resist those shit. I ain't gonna lie. Good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah. Somebody call them Boiling Crawfish people and tell them I'm coming to advertise for them. Meet me at the door. All I know is, y'all gotta get you some. Don't just look at me eat some. Go get some. I don't know. It's some good stuff. Have y'all ever wondered if it wasn't no females on this earth, how would men reproduce? That's a question. If you know the answer, go ahead and drop it down. Because if it wasn't for women, it wouldn't be no life. I don't know. I mean, all I know is these crab legs are off the chain, and that's why I still can't share. Not even with my dog, because she looking. But this is good. Boiling crawfish, 5 stars. And I'm satisfied with my answer. But I truly want to thank everybody who came out today to watch me. Hold on, I'm still trying to eat here. I'm still hungry. Still trying to eat here. Alright, seafood fans, and that concludes this video. I want to thank everybody who tuned in. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and get that bell going. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye.